आज निकले हम स्पोर्ट्स सिटी म्यूज़ियम देखने। इससे पहले कि हम उधर जाएं, हम आपको, ये हमारे एक दोस्त हैं बहुत प्यारे, गैरात उज़्बेकिस्तान से, और मैं आपको कुछ चीज़ें दिखाना चाहता हूँ। जैसे कि ये टावर 3 है, यहाँ हमारी ट्रेनिंग हुई थी 2 महीने के लिए कतर एयरवेज़ में। गैरात ने भी ट्रेनिंग की थी
पाकिस्तान।
तो अब गैरात से पूछते हैं कि कैसी ट्रेनिंग की थी। सो हाउ यू स्पेंड योर डेज इन टावर 3?
Excellent.
Excellent?
Yeah, it was
So
very
far it's excellent, right? But now it's like going to be end, so hope for the best, but prepare for the worst as well.
Thank you for everything for Qatar Airways.
Yeah,
It was pleasure to be here
Yeah.
to work with them.
Definitely,
Yeah.
definitely. So where we are going?
We're going to Qatar National Sport Museum.
Okay. So who is our tour guide today?
Jazakallah.
Yeah, there is a golden ball.
Gairat is our tour guide
Yeah, there
today.
is a golden ball. We'll show you.
Uh-huh.
So this is the 8th golden ball for Lionel Messi as well. Yeah, for sure.
I'm also leaving in February. So we are approaching to metro, right?
So yeah, we'll come back to Qatar.
Of course, of course. Qatar is a very beautiful country.
Yeah.
We are approaching to the metro station. It's Mughlina metro station. By the way, it's Givelina, but the people used to call it Mogolina. That's how beautiful it is, and you can see the scenes of the excavator and the people. We will see after FIFA, very few people they are used to travel with the train.
So this is our last base in Qatar for this year.
This year, definitely.
Maybe, inshallah, we'll come back.
Maybe, inshallah.
Yes, and
Maybe, maybe I visited Uzbekistan and you visited Pakistan.
you know what I like?
Future.
What I like in this metro? It's very convenient. It's very cheap, and I was amazed with the Misheru station. There are 6 floors of the metro station. We
And-
can just show them when we reach to the Misheru
One
station.
more, I want to add.
Mhm.
Mostly it's underground.
Mm.
Underground. You can show the fans.
Mhm.
Luxembourg.
Yeah. It's washroom.
Yeah, this is washroom. This
Yeah.
is here the prayer room.
Yeah, you can take wuzu.
Yeah, here is.
With all qualities,
Yeah.
and there is inside cleaning room. You can just in a point you can clean it.
There is a discussion going on regarding a issue which has been done in the mosque, and actually I was praying Sunnah, the other guys were also playing Sunnah. The two guys, they start the Jamaat.
Fast.
Yes, so they started the first namaz, and the third person who should have to join the other person, he didn't join. So there was 3 lines instead of only 1 line.
That's why we're teaching them
Yeah.
what to do. If someone joins to the Jamaat, maybe there are 2 prayings, one Imam, the second one who is following to Imam. If third one comes, he should make a sign like this to the shoulder. In that case, the following one should go back and it will
Complete.
be the second line.
Yeah.
That's why.
They complete the saf.
Yeah. Saf should be completely.
So now we are approaching to the train. Train is there, you can see down there. So actually, you were thinking about the language which they are speaking. It's the Uzbek language, which is traditionally and through history very closer to the Turkish language. It will be surprise to you, all of you, that I can speak Turkish as well. Broken, but I can understand around 80%, and I can speak around 50-60%, but broken, not the fluently, because I'm a beginner level speaker.
Metro this way.
So this is the metro station. So this one is going to Losail, and the other one will be going to Al Wakra.
And to the airport.
So we just came to now Sport City. Our tour guider, one of the best tour guider we ever have seen in the history. So we're just going out from the Sport City Stadium. We are just entering in the sports arena, and it's 7th floor in Sport City. So I'm with my buddy Aziz Beg and the rest of other people, friends, they are waiting. As you can see, the screens are placed inside the wall, and our tour guider is in front of us. So as the receptionist, he took our ticket and he said you have to follow this side and that side, you have to go like this. So this is what we can expect from the staff, and this is some kind of monument, I think flower. This is a trophy, and Herat. So we are in the basement of this sports museum. So here we can see some of the Paris football group logo, and the people are standing with the t-shirt of the PSG. This is a table tennis. The son and the father both are playing table tennis at the same time. Our tour guider is so busy. Our tour guider Gerat is so busy with other stuff. So we are now sitting in a gaming room. It's a gaming place, 3D gaming, by the way. So one of our friend is approaching to the game. They put the VR in his head, and I can show you.
Yeah, it's a timing. So you can check. It's 850 meters. So you can go fast. Is it clear? Yeah, 1 minute. Now it's okay.
Our tour guide, please.
You can take. You can check yourself. Check yourself. Is it okay now? Yeah. Keep going.
Eiffel.
As you can see, he is now getting ready, and I will experience this thing as well. The guy there already experienced. Our tour guide, please. Just finish with this guy. Just finish from this machine. It was. So our tour guide is going to be the next one in this machine. This is actually 3D VR machine. So you can see this one as well.
Turn, you need to bend.
Oh,
Okay? Don't press this red button, okay?
okay. Do not press.
Yeah. Game will get stopped.
Okay, how many minutes?
Takes only 2 minutes.
Herat, are you ready?
Yeah, brother, I'm flying.
Okay, you're flying.
Yeah.
So he is flying, by the way.
What's in your man?
There is the stadium, and he is flying above the stadium. Actually, it's an amazing experience here. I will try after my friend.
Rain. Very good rain, brother.
Oling, yuring. Tezlashing bilan, sekin yurish. 58 sekund tugatdim men. O ko'prikni bu yoqqa borishingiz kerak. Ha. Tez harakat qiling-da.
So this is the old design of, I think, Mercedes or somewhere. because I'm not used to be a good fan of the cars, and I think this Rolls Royce, or there is an Alfa Romeo written on this car. So very old car, used to be look like. I'm not a big fan of cars, so I don't know about the history of this car. Even I don't know the modern cars and their histories. Especially thanks to this guy. He is our
thank
tour.
you so much.
He is our tour guider.
Yeah.
And especially thanks to Aziz Beg. Actually, we were shooting in his mobile, and he buy a new phone, so we requested him that we will make vlogs on your phone. I didn't buy a new one because if I buy a new one, if I bring it back to Pakistan, I need to pay PTA tax. So Pakistani PTA rola. So that's vlog is going to be finished today in Sports City, Sports Museum, and I'm so tired. I done my breakfast when I was coming to this part of the Doha, but it was very small, just 3 pieces of breads and 2 eggs. For me, it's very less because I'm a big tall guy with overweight, heavy weights, so I need more calories. So I should have a big breakfast like in Pakistan, nehari, pie, chane, chole, everything. But I didn't. Thanks for today,
Thanks for
for
everyone.
guiding us to
Thank you so
one of
much,
the
Hamza,
beautiful
for the-
part of Doha, Qatar. And these guys are still busy of playing. They are still enjoying their childhood
Thank you so
memories.
much, Qatar. Thank you so much. Really appreciate.
Yeah. And by the way, it's totally free for the resident who are
Yeah,
resident
yeah,
in
yeah,
Qatar.
completely,
It's totally free.
Completely
Many places, tourist places, even in VIP places before in Doha, in
Yeah.
FIFA, it was free.
Yes.
Now you can enjoy free of cost if you are resident. Many people who are living here in Doha, even they don't know about these places.
No, I think they all visited.
No, very
mean
very
visitors?
visitor.
Ah, yes.
If because many nationalities living here, multi-nationalities.
Even we are here. We have been here for 9 months. It's
Yeah.
first time we are coming here.
Yeah, first time for me as well. It's my second time in Qatar, but I don't know this place.
Brother, as you know, we just promised to show your followers the Messi's goal.
Yeah,
golden
we
ball.
should.
No, we should. But let's take a video.
Yeah,
Let's,
of course.
Because we
Let's
promised
go.
it.
We will
we are
go to
gonna
that
take
side.
you guys to the golden ball. Messi's 8th goal. Thank you.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, so it's a memorandum, like golden ball, which has 8 goals of Messi. It's a tribute to the Messi of making goals, 8 goals in the world. It's 8 goal in this World Cup, right?
No, he's gonna take his for sure. This year he will get his 8th golden ball, and it will be absolutely record for the football player, as many of us know him as one of the best, maybe the best player in history.
Yeah, of course. So it's amazing. By the way, golden ball with a huge size. It's probably the real gold. If it's real gold, it's probably very expensive.
Golden ball.
Okay.
Okay, this is for Messi, as you see in the picture.
Yeah.
This will be 8. How many pictures you can count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And I'm gonna give his 8th golden ball to Messi for this year, for the best one of his career.
Yeah. So today's trip
Thank you
is
so much,
finished.
very nice.
Thank you so much. So we are going now to metro to take the train to our accommodation. So that's it for today.
Brother,
That's
very
it
nice.
for today.
Thanks
Thanks
for
to
everyone.
all of you for watching this video.
See you guys. See you.
supporting us. See
Please
you.
follow him. He's very nice guy.
Thank you so much. Thank you for supporting us today as a tour guider today.
It's
So-
first time actually for me too.
Inshallah, if Allah give me a chance, I will visit Uzbekistan,
Inshallah,
especially
inshallah.
Tashkent
Yeah.
and Tashkent region. By the way, I didn't visit and I watched some videos about Tashkent. It's a beautiful old city.
Let's hope for us also to come to your country.
Inshallah,
I
inshallah.
respect the Pakistani people so much. They are very kind, very polite, very nice people.
Yeah.
Except you, brother.
Sorry. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, share, like button, everything, whatever you want to do. बहुत शुक्रिया आपका